To fix a Frigidaire dishwasher that won't start a cycle, begin by checking the power supply. Ensure the dishwasher is properly plugged into a working outlet and that the circuit breaker or fuse has not tripped. Next, check the child lock feature, as this can prevent the dishwasher from starting. Consult your user manual to determine how to disable this feature on your specific model. Check the door latch to ensure it is properly aligned and closed. A misaligned or open door can prevent the dishwasher from starting. Verify that the dishwasher filter is clean, as a clogged filter can cause issues with the dishwasher's performance. Locate the filter, usually at the bottom of the dishwasher, and remove any debris or food particles. If the issue persists, check the control panel for any error codes or lights that may indicate a problem. Consult your user manual to determine the meaning of these codes and how to resolve the issue. Also, check the water supply lines to ensure they are not kinked or blocked, as this can prevent the dishwasher from filling with water and starting a cycle. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to check the dishwasher's electrical components, such as the thermal fuse or the control board. These components can be accessed by removing the lower panel of the dishwasher. However, this should only be done by someone with experience working with electrical components. Finally, if you have checked all of these potential causes and the dishwasher still won't start, it may be necessary to contact a professional appliance repair technician. They can diagnose and repair any more complex issues that may be preventing the dishwasher from starting. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue with your Frigidaire dishwasher.